Hello, my name is Žuvintas.
Hi, I'm Yeva.
My name is Simonas.
We are going to build a tree house here in Very Bay next to this beautiful lake.
This tree house will be located in Alytus district near Žuvintas nature reservation. So you can spend all day in this nature and then come here and stay at the night. This tree house will be made out of timber and has special entrance. If you want to reach it, you have to cross a hanging bridge. Also, it will be quite small, but it will have everything what you need for a good evening. So it will have small outdoor terrace where you can stay, and then whenever it's not so good, you can stay inside and you will feel like outside because it will have wide windows, so you will see everything around. It will have a huge bed for a good night's sleep. And also, we will promise that when you come here, you will find warm tea, also some nice books, a few board games, so you will have nice evening and remember this experience forever.
The tree house will be placed between these trees, 4 trees, and on the trees there will be a platform, quite a big platform, and the tree house will be placed over here. So you will be able to see that side, and this lake. In the lake, in the springtime, there are a lot of birds, so you can listen them. Then the tree house will have entrance from that side. Here will be entrance pass on that tree, and then with a soft bridge you can come on the main platform.
To build this treehouse, we need 7,000 euros for materials and hired labor. So please support us and share with your friends.
We hope you understand how this house is important for you, because you want to come here and see this beautiful nature. So we want to thank you for your support.
Thank you.
Thank you.